I don't like to say that animals owner, because we don't own anybody. I said that animals people, and so it's very common that we call my dog and my horse, and they choose us the same way that we choose our parents when we born here.
Tervetuloa takaisin Eläinmaailma kanssaasukkaamme ohjelmaan. Tämän päivän ohjelma esittelee Maikku Kostiaisen, telepaattisen eläinkommunikoijan Suomesta. Hän käyttää erityisiä taitojaan auttaakseen tuomaan eläimiä ja ihmisiä lähemmäs toisiaan ja siten paremmin ymmärtämään toisiaan. Eläimet ovat uskollisia ja suojelevia omistajiaan kohtaan. Ne pitävät aina huolta ihmiskumppaneistaan, huolenpitäjistään. Milloin tahansa se on mahdollista, ne ovat todella iloisia voidessaan antaa neuvon sanoja ihmisystävälleen.
One time I had a horse client that said that you always bring your boyfriends here, I will tell you if the guy is right for you. And this one that you have at the moment is not right for you, he is just pretending. And the girl was like, okay, now I understand that. She said, I believe that he is pretending that he likes animals or horses, but he actually doesn't. And the old horse said, yeah.
Hevoset ovat äärimmäisen tarkkanäköisiä ja tietoisia olentoja.
They are the most sensitive, most caring and loving creatures, and I think from my perspective, horses have come to the earth to show us the beauty. They have given themselves to us, to enjoy their companionship. It's honor that it lets you to come into its atmosphere or into its energy. But when we see that something bad is happening to animals, for me, for many people, you start instantly crying. That should tell you something. What are those beautiful creatures here to teach you? How much they can touch you, your heart, your feelings, your emotions. And that is, for me, it's been a good thing to learn. That it's how much they can affect our lives.
Kostiainen on sanonut, että kissoilla on merkittävä rooli planeetallamme.
Especially cats, they are very sensitive for our energies. And they are healers mainly. I think that some reason for cats to live in our households is they are very much healing and bringing the healing energy. Some of them are very old souls. They are very wise.
Kissat pystyvät vaistoamaan, kun perheen jäsen ei ole oma itsensä jollain tavoin.
If the cat doesn't sleep with people, and at some point he wants to go and sleep close to somebody, it means that he's healing you, giving you good energy. If you have kids in the household and cat picks up some of the kids and goes there and sleeps with the kid, I usually say that if children don't want to speak out their mind, you could ask, is there something happening in school or is there something wrong or whatever? They can also tell you that way that you should know something.
Viime kädessä eläimet ovat täällä avustamassa meitä henkisessä kasvussa, kuten myös auttamassa maailman kohoamisessa.
They are also waking us up to understand what humans are capable of. We are here to protect them, not to hurt them. And this time that we are living at the moment, it's very interesting. Never ever have people in this earth destroyed it so fast. The nature, the animal kind, everything. But at the same time, never ever in the history have people come together so fast also to try to save it, to save the animals, to save the nature, to do all good stuff. People start to eat, as we were talking, the vegetarian food and vegan food, and start to understand how important this is, how good it is for them, we have to start to save and to nurture and help and come together. If animals could say what is the most important message is that love yourself as we love you. Love yourself as we love you, unconditionally.
Me arvostamme sitä kumppanuutta, mittaamatonta ystävällisyyttä, iloa ja ihmeitä, joita eläimet tuovat elämiimme. Lämmin kiitoksemme Maikku Koskiaiselle siitä, että hän on jakanut kokemuksiaan sisäisestä keskustelemisesta eläinystäviemme kanssa. Arvoisat katsojat, kiitos seurastanne tämän päivän Eläinmaailma kanssaasukkaamme ohjelmassa. Seuraavaksi vuorossa valaisevaa viihdettä, mutta ensin huomionarvoiset uutiset. Eläkööt kaikki maailman asukkaat ikuisesti rauhassa ja yhteisymmärryksessä toistensa kanssa. Cherished viewers, thank you for joining us for today's Animal World, our co-inhabitants. Coming up next is enlightening entertainment right after noteworthy news. May all Earth's inhabitants live evermore in peace and mutual understanding with each other.
For more details, please visit www.suprememastertv.com/AW.